Day 3 of the Luke Hart's Wrights Beach Hearts World Championships. Yep, a few people just slid into the playoffs last night in late action. That was missed by this photographer. But today we'll continue on. Today is the finals. They have one last semifinal to see who the top 4 will be, and after that we will award the winner the new killer trophy. Well, it's not new, it's old, but anyway, they'll get the trophy and their name on it. Anyway, it's another killer day at the beach. The wind's not too bad. Everybody's just full abalone last night. Waves are down a little bit, looks a little rough. Wind, I know, sorry about the wind. But here's the trophy they all want. Yep, they want Barbie. Well, it's the last roundup. Everyone's getting their last breakfast here. Matt and June already left here. Anyway, everyone's packing up. Gotta be out here at 11. We're staying the night though. No traffic on Monday. Sunday, traffic. We got little Anakin Skywalker here. Packing up, Craig. All right, here, this girl rocks. She went out there and got one of the abs yesterday. She is a stud muffin. Gonna grind again.
I want put mine in a hole. Yeah.
Bacon.
Everything.
Rice. Woohoo. Sausage. And they're packing up all the dive gear. I could still go. There's the man. There it is. Custer. Oh, I gotta go there. I think somebody I know wants to take it. And here's the gang. Everybody's in it. Except for me. I gotta be in it soon.
We're going on.
Everybody's leaving, except for some of us. We're staying. Man, it's windy. Smile. Are you having fun at the camp trip? Huh? Are you having fun? I guess I'll take that as a yes. And everybody is still packing. We've got a quarterfinal game going on right here. Tension is mounting. People are sliding.
I'm afraid to.
And they're pulling the lip. No, but I'd like to know, what do you think your chances are? You're in the final.
Well, you know, I'm feeling good, feeling strong. Finished up slow last night, but looking forward to a good outing today.
All right.
And the bitch is coming home with me. That's all I'm saying.
Is there anyone you don't want in the final?
Let's
Anybody
see.
like shoots the gutster, or?
You know, if Tim didn't make the finals, that wouldn't bother me, because he came out of nowhere and took the trophy from me last year.
Oh, really?
So I'm holding a little grudge against him.
Oh, okay.
Right now, you know?
That's good to know.
Yeah. So
all right.
yeah, I'm not going to cry any tears over there, but I'm going to keep my mouth shut because I'm ready for whoever.
We'll be back more with some in-depth interview from some of the other finalists. This person right here is who Phil fears. He's hoping that he doesn't make it through the semifinals, and then he could have an easy trip all the way to the trophy. Tim Lukart took it away from him last year. Can he do it again? All right, the semifinals are almost over, and then we'll know our final 4. What a day. It's windy, but hey, it's awesome. We're on the coast. Use your lifesaver. Tent going down the street. You don't see that often. Well, some people are saying some got by, and other people are working on strategies for the final 4. Let's find out who it is.
And
the
how
final
much is it gonna
four.
cost me when
There
I
they
can't let
are.
my son off anymore? When I can't claim
Who will
my
bring
son.
home the
That's
trophy?
rough.
You know, I've been
At least
claiming
you
it
don't
for
have
years anyway. You
tuition.
just
It's
didn't know.
still cheaper than tuition.
I was trying to get commentary from each one of the players in the final four, but none of them want to give up any of their strategies, what they think of the other person, how they're going to play. But they've all been there before. Who will take home the trophy? Will it be Phil the cheater, Tim the pussy, Jody, whatever, and baby Sherry? We will soon know in the next hour.
Deal or hold hand.
What are we looking at? Who's winning so far, Jody?
Ready by a lot.
Okay, we're yeah.
An update.
When under these
Bucket
cards, I
three.
throw them from up here.
With flour and eggs and everything.
I know.
Not a fucking good card.
I haven't figured you counted that. I guess I would.
Attention, Mounts.
They're hot links.
He's just messing with him right now. They think he's going to lose because he has so many points, but he's going to just rip it away from him.
As soon as I pass
Yep. He's on him. He's on him.
39. Happened about.
This could be the last hand.
I like a spicy chicken sausage. Honey mustard.
What will they do? Will someone shoot the gutster, pull it, and rip it away from him? Someone's fat head.
You get to lead, Jerry.
Here we go. It's still working in their favor.
Yeah.
Could be the last hand.
I can't get the lead. I tried.
Well, looks like Jody's won it,
Yeah, this is all go home.
but they still want to play it out to see who came in second and third and fourth. The people they never remember. No one remembers who came in second, let alone fourth.
I'm not coming back.
There he is.
My last second and third.
There it is.
Wrights Beach. Wrights
Champion.
Beach is beautiful again. It's a great place in America. You coloners, learn how to play cards and come back to see me. Hey, let me get pictures.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't want to be in that picture.
He's the winner again.
Got pictures. They're holding it up. Come on.
Get me out of that picture.
Yeah.
Once again, America's great. That's the pop-off
I didn't want to be in that picture at the same time.
Jody's name will be on the trophy again.
We left Chimo there to have to deal with that.
No.
Oh, never. Well, there it was. Final champion. There it is. Day 4, and we're getting ready to leave, and the wind just never stopped. We only got 10 abalone. That was it, but it was a great time, great hearts tournament, all that kind of stuff. It was a blast. And the party's over. Heading back.